Industry 4.0 is a very interesting concept, and today we'll talk about two very important terms which sound similar but are quite different. Hi, I am Ratin Vyas, co-founder Enerco Energy, and today I'll explain digitization and digitalization. Two very similar sounding words but quite different. You'll just come to know in a bit. Digitization, in simple terms, is virtual representation of a real world object. Simplest example, you scan your Aadhaar card, your passport, etc. That's digitization. On factory shop floor, you got compressors, you got your machines, CNC machines, etc. When you look at them on your screen, that is digitization. Another way of looking at digitization, or another definition of digitization, is conversion of analog signals which are picked by your sensors, temperature sensor, water monitoring sensor, etc. And conversion of that into digital bits and pieces or binary data is digitization, because we need to do that conversion for data analytics purpose, right? So, what is another word which sounds similar to this, digitalization? We are talking about digitalizing a process, not just a particular information. When you're digitalizing a process, what I mean by that, let me give you an example. So you got lots of machines on your shop floor. You got a maintenance person who's maintaining maybe a hard book. He just goes and writes down the logbook, maintaining on so and so date, and he stores it for future use. So when you're digitizing that, let's say the same person is inputting data in an XLS or a software, which is just for storage purpose, then you're just digitizing it, right? But let's say you're using the data collected from the machinery and you're then making intelligent decisions on your maintenance processes. That is known as digitalizing the process. Having said that, it is not just technical process. You could even automate business processes. So, RPA is one such thing which is also a part of digitalization. Your RPA basically stands for robotic process automation. That is a part of digitalization. So, you'll ask me, what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is a journey. When your organization starts digitalizing each of the processes and automation, that journey has started. That is digital transformation, which comes under Industry 4.0. So, Industry 4.0, digitization, digitalization, and then when your journey has started of Industry 4.0, we talk about digital transformation. I'll talk more about digital transformation in my other video. I hope you found this video useful. I thank you very much for your time, and please do share it with someone who could find it useful. Take care.